In the last tutorial, we see how to make the trajectory for our crane hook. So in this tutorial, we see the how to make the sections. So first of all, we go to sketch, select the datum 1 plane for our sketching. Now select the datum point 0 for our reference and close the references window. Now draw a center line at this reference point. Now draw the circle which is tangent to this center line of diameter 60 mm as shown. Now what we do, we divide this circle in 6 parts, 3 above the center line, 3 below the center line, and make a watch here that we divide this circle at different angles, that is at 12 degrees, 60 degrees and 70 degrees below and above the center line. So you can use the measure the angles like this. This okay. So first of all, make it a 12 degree angle above and below, then 60 degree. Now you have a question why we divide these in these parts, because our section 2 that already have the points which are at 12, 60 and 75 degree. So that's why we use we have to, because we use the swept blend. In the swept blend we have to sure about the parts, because equal parts is required in the swept blend. So that's why. So for the first circle we divide it in 6 parts. Now we draw the second sketch. Go to sketch, select the datum 2 as our sketching plane, click on sketch. Now same here, you have to use the references and make this datum point as a reference. So now draw a center line here. So this is the most important part of our crane hook. So go to circle and make a circle of 100 mm dia. Now draw another circle of 36 mm dia on the center line again. 36 mm. Now you have to make tangent this small circle to the bigger circle. Now draw the 2 tangent line, one above the small circle and one below the small circle, and both are at 30 mm distance from the center line. Now draw a circle like this and make it a dia of 20 mm. Now use the tangent constraint and make it tangent to the center line as well as to the bigger circle. Now draw the same circle below the small circle like this, 20 mm dia, and make it tangent to the center line as well as to the bigger circle. Now you have to use the bitangent line and make this line like this, which is tangent to both the circles. Then you have to use the trim and trim the outer part. Be careful. And inner small circles. This. So here we can see that here already we have the intersection points 75 degrees, 60 degree, 12 degree. That's why we divide our first section in the parts like this, and we do the same for our third section also. So and click done. So this is your section 2. So now we use the third atom plane for our sketching and draw the final section for our crane hook. Again go to references and point 2 as in reference. Now here we draw the below this center line. So draw a circle of diameter 20 mm dia. This, and again divide like first section into 6 equal parts. So this is not a difficult task for you. While using these center lines, make sure that these lines should not be perpendicular to each other. So otherwise you have to again draw a center line, or you may encounter some problem like this. One by one, if you do one by one, then you have no problem. Okay, so now again make the angles 12 degree, 60 degree and 75 degree to the left hand side and right hand side of the center line. 60, 60 degree, 75 degree and 75 degree. Now divide same 1, 2, 3, 5 and click OK. So here is your section 3. So final section is also ready. So here you have the complete sketch of our crane hook. Now what we do, we just go to the swept plan and use these sections. So like this. Now go to insert, use swept plan, window opens. So here click on solid, then click on reference and select the trajectory, and then click on the arrow. It makes here. So here we go to selected sections, then select section 1, and it show you that here six entities in this, and then section 2. Then you can control the here to make a clear look like this. Okay, then you can see here. Then click on insert again and select the section 3. Now here you have the complete crane hook, and click OK. So this is your complete crane hook. You can see here in the third tutorial we see how to complete this.